Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a lightbox in Wix. First, go ahead and log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, just go and select one of your sites. Now, once inside the site editor, on the left panel, click on the plus sign button to add an element. Then, from the options, go to interactive. And in here, you will see now your light boxes from welcome, subscribe, promotion to contact. A light box is a pop-up element that appears in the top of your site's content to grab a visitor's attention. This will allow you to show special announcements, promotions, or welcome messages, collect emails with a sign-up form, display images, videos, or important information without taking visitors to another page, and guide users through actions like logging in or confirming an offer. Now, just go ahead and choose one according to your need, and there you have it. You now have your light box. Light boxes can be triggered automatically when someone visits a page after a delay or when they click a specific button or link, and they can be fully customized in terms of designs, content, and animation. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a lightbox in Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.